And we're live. Okay, so hello everyone. Today there is no waiting screen because apparently I've just configured OBS after it's been a while since I've actually live been going live. So I mean also now hi hello Andrew Gary. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do is just let me save the project on my FL Studio first. It's basically an upcoming YTPMV, I guess. But I mean I don't really know if I could even finish it. But, yeah, I'm gonna spoil the name, so I'm just gonna stuff for future video. Okay, I'm just gonna that's it. Okay then. Now I will download a Windows 10 ISO because apparently I need it. Or wait, I just remembered. I have that one Windows USB that has pretty much almost all the major versions, all versions of Windows starting from Windows 7. Wait, where the fuck is that USB? Let's check the drawer. And it's not on the drawer, of course. Oh well. Shit. Oh wait, oh yes, I'm an idiot. It's literally still plugged into my laptop. So, let me check real quick. I got a Windows 10 ISO, but it's still in quotation marks the latest one, but I mean it's already cracked anyway, so I ain't gonna do any more modifications. I'm just gonna get a just gonna get the ISO for Windows 1023 H2 because why not? No, I'm just gonna reload. There you go. And now I'm just gonna wait. Okay, there you go. You've been routed to this page, blah 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 blah. There you go. This is how I get Windows ISOs. I'm actually being honest here. The only way to get Windows 10 ISO is to just make it think that we're actually, viewing the page on a operating system other than Windows, because apparently I just want to use my free download manager because apparently I don't really like the installation media downloader, because apparently it sometimes could just disconnect by itself, at least in my experience, or it just takes longer for me, but I don't know. Okay, we will choose the 64-bit because apparently all of my devices are literally have like 64 bits of 64-bit Windows, because apparently I have a device with like 4 gigs and above kind of RAM, you know, and you know, yeah, I'm actually taking some inspirations from like Tiny 11. Like I'm basically gonna create my own Lite Windows 10 ISO. So I don't know. Yeah, I mean, actually, you know what? Maybe I will think it first. Actually, never mind. Let's not change the wallpaper. I won't touch any shits about the wallpaper. Like, I mean, the wallpapers ain't gonna be that much of a hog anyway. Just gonna close that one thing. No, we just close it. Go back. Now, let's see. Wait, do I have anti-light on this? DevTools is a very powerful thing. Indeed. Oh yep, I already have anti-light. That's good. Okay, I don't know what to do while I wait for the stupid thing to actually download, you know, I mean, my internet speeds are literal garbage. Actually, you know what, let me steal the Ethernet from my PC. I mean, I don't really use it right now, so I'm just gonna steal the Ethernet cable from my PC and connect it to my laptops, because apparently, it's a apparently my laptop has an Ethernet jack, and I actually really like laptops with Ethernet, so that if I need, like, you know, like a reliable internet, I just connect to Ethernet, although I rarely use Ethernet, so I don't really need it, but it's a nice to have thing. Should disconnect to should disconnect. Okay, I just turned off Wi-Fi, so apparently it's just disconnected, and then after that, you know, it picks up the Ethernet, and now, you know, and now I get 4.5, 4.6 instead of the 1.2 megabytes that I had. Could be even worse with like, you know, Wi-Fi. But I mean, with this, I get a slightly faster download speed, you know, and a much more reliable internet. Hi Windows Fan Extreme 7895. Buffering. Yeah, it is literally like me literally disconnecting, you know. So, I mean, you know. Well, wait, should I actually, like, you know, view my FTP server? Like, I mean, I won't make it public since it's only 32 gigs and it's only for, like, you know, my files, you know. Because apparently transferring files between devices to devices is just easier this way. Also, did you know that this laptop should theoretically, if Microsoft wants to, support Windows 11, but I mean, I actually forced it to run Windows 11, you know. I mean, the processor is not supported in any way, but I just forced it because why not? Because apparently, Windows 11 has a lot of bullshit, you know, requirements. Yeah. Also, yeah. I am now making like a light version of Windows 10, because apparently, like, so that I can just install it flawlessly on my PC without, you know. Yeah, I really want to test it on my PC, because apparently with the PC I can just, with the PC I can just, you know, actually get the thing. Yeah, Windows 11 requirements are insane. Well, I mean, they need to lower. Well, to be honest, it's in quotation marks requirements, because apparently they still allow you to install it like the unsupported way. I use Windows 7 Pro. Yeah, on my PC I used to, like, actually use Windows 7, because apparently the processor that I have on my PC is a first gen Core i5, so basically it's still on the Windows 7 era, but now I just install Windows 10 on here, on there, because why not? Had some troubles with the driver, but I mean, that's fine. Hi, Poralisu. Yeah, yeah, I recognize this. Yeah, I probably recognize this. Yeah, I definitely recognize. I definitely know it. Actually, not. That's the fact that I just put a Windows XP wallpaper on there. It's just insane. I use Windows 11 and it feels alright. All same. I mean, the animations and all. But I mean, the requirements that Microsoft put, like, I mean, the limitations to install, like, the software, it's just, like, I mean, the setup is just limiting it through, like, a bunch of DLLs and stuff. But with some modifications to the Windows 11 ISO, I mean, I could theoretically use the Windows. Yeah, Yeah, maybe if maybe like 23H1 or 23H2 is released, I will probably need to download the ISO again. And then do again. I wanna upgrade to Windows 10, but I can't, because I don't know where website he can download Windows 10 with no virus. Did you know that you can actually download it from Microsoft directly? Like, I mean, I'm actually downloading this from the Microsoft site. I mean, this is the original ISO. I did not modify it in any way. So basically, if you are on like desktop or a laptop or just a Windows device, you just go into, like, you just search Windows 10, and then there's this thing, right? Download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. You click it and it will probably show and get you to the uh, the media creation tool and another software that I forgot what it is. Yeah, the update assistant, I guess. You just basically you need to basically, yeah, the media creation tool and the update assistant. Now you just open inspect if you're using Google Chrome by pressing Control Shift I, and you just wait it for pop up, and then you see this, like, this tablet and phone, right? You just click it and now you refresh. Now it will redirect you to the ISO downloading page, and you just wait. You just apparently wait until, when will the freaking thing show? I don't really know. Let's just wait. I mean, my internets are kinda potato-ish. And I mean, once you have gotten into the page, I mean, if the page has loaded, you can just download the ISO, like select the language, yeah, there you go. Now you have this thing, right? You just select edition, Windows 10 modification, and then click on submit and then confirm, and then after that select the product language. This, and for the language, if you want to use English, use English, but if you want to use, for example, Chinese or uh, Dutch or something like that, you can just select that instead. But then, yeah, let's just choose English. Confirm, and then there you go. You can just download it perfectly. Like, you can just download it from here. Like, I mean, that's the 64-bit and the 32-bit. It's up to you which one do you want to use. Like, if your Windows 7 laptop has like the 32-bit version, use the 32-bit version. But if you have a 64-bit on your laptop, just use 64-bit. I mean, it's that simple. And activate Windows. Well, I mean, for activating Windows, yeah, I mean, Microsoft did not really, you know, make Windows 10 keys anymore, from what I've heard. But I mean, the only route that you would use is to just use some KMS thing, and but I mean, you could just install Windows 10 without, like, the product key, but then um, there'll be some annoying watermark and on apparently somewhere here, and apparently you get the idea. But I mean, it's practically free, but if you activate, you get more features. That's it. That's just it. But I mean, it's up to you if you want to activate or not. I mean, you could basically use Windows. You could basically change backgrounds if you wanted to without literally, Yeah, no, I forgot what to say. Still waiting for the download. I mean, with the Ethernet now, it's pretty much fast. Yeah, I'm actually, like, pretty happy with my X4041U, because apparently it has Ethernet and all the ports that I could ever wished for. I apparently still need a dongle for another one, but I mean, there's two USB A's and one USB C, but I mean, still usable. There's even both HDMI and VGA, so if I were to bring it to school, do you know you can install a newest version of Microsoft Office in an old version, like 7? Um, I don't know. Like, I mean, you can't really install Office 2019 on there, as for sure. Not even Office 2021, because uh, ever since Office 2019, they force you to, actually use Windows 10, and the latest version of Office, the at least the one, the latest one that could run on both Windows 7 and Windows 8 is just Office 2016. That's the latest that both Windows 7 and Windows 8 can actually do. I have Microsoft Office 2013. Well, I mean, I also used to have Office 2013 after apparently something on my PC just, wrecked Office by itself and just uninstalled by itself without my consent. It just uninstalled automatically, so I had to reinstall again, and then after that, nuked the entire. It just nukes the Office thing itself. Wait. And I am back with the mic. I know my microphone is muted because apparently, you know, yeah. Damn, I left this for like 721, and at 738, it's already 67%. Like, that just shows you how stable Ethernet really is. That it just shows you. Let's see. Two participants. Well, um and yet I am still waiting, but I mean I ain't really waiting that yeah, actually not. I sort of wanted to make like a wallpaper for it, but I mean I don't really know how to actually, like, get a wallpaper working, because apparently I have tried to like change it, but then, you know to change it from like anti-light or something like that, but then, you know I have one failed ISO like this. I actually customized some things. Like, I mean, I actually tried to put like a wallpaper, like a custom made wallpaper for my PC. Yeah, that's like knockoff, knockoff uh, PC, like, knockoff recovery ISO thing. But I mean, it fails, so this still has all the requirements. Although the ISO that I have based from it, it already has the things. Like, I mean, I've modified some DLL so that it will install on uncapable on in quotation marks uncapable hardware. You know, yeah. Actually, let me check all my drivers real quick. I mean, I've already got this. Like, I mean, it's just ready to go. I put it in my 32 gig flash drive that I plugged into my router, and just, I mean, my router actually supports the an FTP. So, I mean, you know, I also have the drivers for my H55 PC. Like, I mean, the Core i5 first gen thing. Also, I have whatever this is, and yet it just opens Chrome. So, okay, let me actually copy this file, and there's this guide right here, because apparently my iGPU driver, the integrated graphics, I mean, for the Core i5 650, like, I mean, they don't release the ones that is for Windows 8 and up. So basically, they only provide the drivers for Vista and 7 and probably XP, but not Windows 8 and up. Although the driver is updated until like 2011 or maybe 2012. Wait, 2011. But it already has the thing for Windows 8. So, yeah. Now I just get this Frankenstein way. Like, I mean, to install the iGPU drivers or additions above Windows and all those apps, reboot Windows. Yeah, I mean that. Yeah, I should totally rename this guide on installing. I mean, just joked on my own. Alright. I just need some hydration, that's all. Shit, I have gotten the wrong one. Okay. I just drag those on there and delete this one. Shift delete, enter, there you go. I'll be right back because I need to get some water to, you know, get some water and get some hydration. Don't forget to drink water, guys. I'm back with some water. And yeah, let me drink my water and getting some hydration. I mean, imagine the Windows 12 requirements. It's probably gonna be like Windows 12 will probably like F you need to use 10th gen processors or later. I mean, I already know, man. If Windows 11 already requires 8th gen, Windows 12 will probably, like, you know, Windows 12 would probably need you to get 10th gen CPUs and won't allow you to install it like the unofficial way, like this, and you know. It'd probably be like you you need a NASA computer to run Windows 12. Very real. Just gonna turn on my shitty webcam. Yeah, there you go. Just gonna drink some water. Yeah, there you go. Now we're back. And by the time, yeah, I mean, after a lot of rambling, it has downloaded successfully, and it took like what, 20 minutes or so. That's really quick. Okay, now let's do some modifications for it. Actually, no, let's make a minimalist wallpaper on the MS Paint. I will probably figure something out later. Like, I mean, let's resize it to let's see, 1920 by 10. Now let's start making the wallpaper. Let's start with a blue background. Is that too blue or something? I don't know. Actually not. Let's search for Windows 10. Let's see, like, the logo. Like I mean, just the thing, because I needed I just need the base color for it, because, you know, wallpaper and stuff. And yet I have already found it. Now I just Win Shift S, and now I just, there you go. Now I just paste the thing. Shit. Enlarge the thing. Make it a little bit large, and then off that, pick the color, and then off that, Control C. Now I have this. I know it's not the most ideal way, but I mean, you get the idea. And now we go for the lighter color, which is going to be this. Do a few, yeah. Let's just make the wallpaper. There you go. This square will probably have no this rectangle will probably have not even a single purpose. Is this for decorations? I mean, you know. I'm just gonna draw some random things, but still make it look good. I don't even know at this point. I'm mastering the art of Microsoft Paint thing. Just gonna do a pop-up chat, and then after that, split screen that, and then after that, enlarge MS Paint, and then now, there you go. The rectangle tool. Actually, you know what? That's it. That's the only thing that we're gonna do. The Lite 10 logo, we'll put it there. And then let's just go into Chrome again. Windows 10. White logo. There you go. Now we just there you go. I have sort of found mine. It does not match my criteria. Damn. That's some good shit. Where the fuck is it? Where the fuck? I didn't find the one that looks like this in a perfect way. Like, I mean, all of them is literally a PNG. Actually not. After let's save, open image, and there you go. Now I can just zoom in. Shift S, and just wait. If I do a black thing, then shit. No, let's just enlarge the thing again. Get the heck out of your notification. Now let's resize it back to probably like 120 or something like that. There you go. Now let's just try to color all blue. Color it all blue. And it failed. let's make our own, shall we? Let's make a 94 by 94. Good. Okay. Now let's just create the angles for it. Now I just select, copy and paste, and then flip vertical. Set this like so, and there you go. Now we have those. Now we just get the thinnest of all, and now we just try to align it perfectly. Boom, we've got a Windows 10 logo on Microsoft Paint. Although it's not really that angle, the angle is not really that angle-ish, it's still, this is basically, this is just like a hybrid of Windows 10 and Windows 11 logos. Like, it's not angled enough. You know what? Let's create the angles more steep. Actually, let's redo that again. Now I can just fill in the lines, just so. You'll probably hear a lot of click seats from my mouse. Yeah, now that it has angled enough, now we just select, do that, not enough, do this, Control C, Control V, now we just, where is it, flip vertical, and boom, I need to widen it by a bit. And boom, the Windows plate. Yeah, now let's just add the window frame, and then we're all set and good to go. Get the smallest brush size, align that. There you go. In this, let's see if it actually, it's to piece of absolute garbage. Let's see if we could center it. There you go. Now we just get the color again, hit that, and it's too deep. The pain of creating your own wallpaper. I'm glad that I haven't even added the text, because apparently if you add the text, it's going to be a damn a lot of whack. Without the text, it's easier to just, you know, do some modifications, do some adjustments and stuff. I guess it is still too, I guess the angle is too steep, but not, that's fine. That should be good to go. Now I can finally add the text. I'm just gonna use where's the S? Sego UI in white, of course, why not? And now we enlarge the text by a bit more, a bit more. It is the maximum. Okay. Let's call it Lite 10. I don't even care anymore. Just call it Lite 10. If you wanted to make the wallpaper for Lite 10, let me know. Let me know in the comments. I'll probably check it. Although you can't really send links on YouTube comment, because apparently YouTube will delete the shit out of that and just think that it is a scam, although it is not. There you go. Lite 10. Let's see. Let's not set as background. Let's see. View, full screen. Boom. That's how the wallpaper is gonna look like if it's going to be a wallpaper. Just imagine that there's a Windows, like, you know, a Windows 10 desktop and stuff. Also, there's this little bit of spec that I have left. There you go. Okay, let's save that as img0 because oh yeah, I have completely forgotten the fact that I already have whatever the heck. What the fuck is it? Oh, it's a JPEG. Of course, I've completely forgotten that it has to be a JPEG because. Let's look at the chats. Also, me right now, I'm just listening to Touhou music, which my favorite is The Flower That Bloomed in Fantasy. I often made one MV music video that is. Bro, this Windows logo looks so real. Also, the stream feels slow, which takes time to notice. The chat from here kinda strange, to be honest. Actually, I speak Spanish, but I'm learning English. Yeah, I mean, it's English, not English, first of all. But I mean, I already know that it's typo, so it's okay. It's fine. Just be careful on your typing next time, because sometimes typos can be fatal. Don't ask me why I tell you this. Yeah. And yet, of course, I have to mess it up on the alignment part. I mean, it's ready all in one pack, so just that, and we'll be good to go. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay, let's save. Close that. Hello there, Vane11. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Okay, now we close out of that, and now let's open Lite. This is the software that we're gonna use to get some customization done, right? Free, limited, non-commercial. Haven't I already yeah, this is the exact project that I had. I mean, we're just gonna add. Oh, I forgot. I need to, you know, I need going to actually extract the Windows thing. So it's basically somewhere around here. Windows 10. I think I found it, but then it gone. There you go. 22 H2. I'm gonna mount it, and then after that, I'm just gonna copy all, select all, Control A, Control C, downloads, Control Shift N, Windows. Actually not. Lite 10 temporary. Now let's just copy all of them, and I'm just gonna drink some more water. Should be pretty fast considering it's an SSD and all. Like, I mean, the Asus X 4041U originally came with a 1TB hard drive, but apparently my uncle, the previous owner of this laptop, actually, replaced the hard drive for a 120 gig SSD, and now the hard drive is used as a data drive, which is replacing the DVD thing. So basically, he installed a DVD caddy, like a hard drive caddy, that you just plug into your, okay. And now we have these. Now I can safely add image directory, and then after that, downloads Lite 10 temporarily. There you go. Can you shut the? Can you just not expand? Please do not expand again. I not unload mounted images. Now we have these bunch. I'm just gonna use Windows 10 Pro because apparently, yeah. I'll try to probably delete like some stuff, like, I mean, just literally almost all of the editions, like the core and like the home, Windows 10 home and single language education and stuff. I won't like create any single one of these. Like, let's just use the Pro version, right? Also, is it just me unloading image? Oh, it's still unloading images for the Windows 11 thing. Actually, I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna take a quick. Hello. Hi, Luis Daniel. Okay, I don't even know if I pronounce your name correctly. Also, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go to the loo. Laggy. Well, I mean, what do you expect from a potato laptop, man? Yeah. I'm gonna be right back, and it's gonna make a waiting screen first. I'm gonna make a waiting screen so that you won't be confused. Create a new image, and then for those who are wondering why is it just a blank screen, apparently I'm still not. Yeah, there you go. I am from Brazil. Okay. Black screen? Yeah, I'm actually creating a waiting screen because I did not plan to actually do a waiting screen, but I had to because I need to go to the loo. Like, I mean, I had to go to the toilet. So I'm gonna make a waiting screen. I mean, let's see if I still have the file that I used to have for the thing. Let's see, Samsung, S. And I did not have the file anymore. Oh, sweet. Okay, let's see. Data browser, air freezing. Maybe it's on my data drive. I don't know. Yep, it is definitely on my on my thing right now. Wait, but there's nothing. Bullshit, man. Looks like I have to get another, sound for the waiting screen. Just gonna browse through my songs. Actually, I must just play like a copyright-free song so that I won't get striked right away.
Blow, get, blow, get, blow, get, blow. Come on, blow, get, blow, get, blow, get, blow. Down at this field, it's by my nose. It wells up electric wavy when I'm flirting road. Up through my speed, up through my robe. We flying up those buildings and we get our zone. Come on and come on, right, right, yeah. Blow, get, blow, get, blow, get, blow. Come on, blow, get, blow, get, blow, get, blow. Down at this field, it's by my nose. It wells up electric wavy when I'm flirting road. Up through my speed, up through my robe. We flying up those buildings and we get our zone. Come on and
If you win me, you can have the money.
Fair, but we will play my game.
What's the rules?
Rules? Who needs them anyway?
Once been this rose for vibrators, when you try to battle me.
Pathetic.
Blow, get, blow, get, blow, get, blow. Come on, blow, get, blow, get, blow, get, blow. Come on and come on, right, right, yeah.
If you win me, you can have the money.
Fair, but we will play my game.
What's the rules?
Rules? Who needs them anyway?
The way you are. Once been misposed for 5 papers, when you try to battle me.
And I am back. What did I just witness? Basically just the video from Duffolk. Duffolk Boom. Yeah, I mean, and just like the one in the ending, man. Like, it's just, you know. Okay, now let's continue on mounting the professional image, aka the Windows 10 Pro. I'm just gonna wait. Let's see. Okay. Okay, yep, that's too small. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna take a look in my thing. Damn, it is going pretty fast. Well, I mean, what do you expect? It's on an SSD, man.
I think I'm gonna kill Tails. Never done that before. Wait, what's that sound? One tarnation?
Okay, so there's one notification from WhatsApp. Bruh.
No, don't touch me dead.
Okay, let's go back to this. I am still waiting for my anti-light to mount some stuff. Does anyone want to, like, you know, just play like maybe like some kind of a background song maybe or something like that? Okay, there you go. Okay, at this point I don't even know. Mic is unmuted, just the audio is muted, unmuted. Oh, heck no. And of course it still has to do that piece of absolute garbage. I will just wait. something like that. I don't know. Okay, it is finally loaded and mounted. Oh, what is this? 6.1 Windows Recovery Environment. Okay. Integrate updates, drivers. I won't. Wait, what is this? Samsung Android phone. Oh yes, I just remembered. It's my AO4S. What is this? Asus Tech Computer Inc. Fifth. Yeah. This drivers. Oh, it's not a 120. It's a 24. It's a 2400. It's a 20. It's a 240. And then yeah. Registry no. Remove components before proceeding with component removal. If you're planning to remove more than just apps and DISM mode, please read this carefully. In case of an image offline modification, you should test the edited image on a virtual machine before deploying it into the machine. In case of an already deployed modification, you should have a backup ready before applying any changes. Due to the nature of Windows okay. I would still keep the remote software because just in case if you ever still need it. Resource manager, carry mounting and privacy. Multi-point. Okay, I guess remoting and privacy, let's not touch on that. Device lockdown. I'm not sure because it's for touchscreen devices. It's just in case if someone ever to install it on a thing blocked by compatibility. Okay. Explicit removal not supported. Depends on shell experience was goblin. Where are the Windows apps? Add folder suggestions in dialog app resolve. Assign access lockup. Call. Xbox game UI you don't need. Yes. I control you probably still need it. And folder suggestions, app resolver. Assign the sync. Call you might not need. Yeah, I mean, this is not the super core-ish thing. Wait, what? Right back. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna keep the system. Remoting privacy I already have. Internet Explorer. I mean, you don't really need it anymore. I sort of still need it, but I mean, not a lot of people use Internet Explorer anyway, so. Can't really change that. RDC, TCP/IP, Telnet, remove Telnet, TFTP. What's TFTP? Oh, it's sort of like a file transfer thing. Just in case, but just in case that you ever need it, I'm gonna keep it for the sake of purposes. Multimedia, I'm back. Okay. Snipping tool, wallpaper default. I mean, it's not really that much actually. Disable. Except for the wallpaper, right? Share media control. Actually, not now. Sure, Windows personalization themes, but you know. Disable all of them except only enable remote assistance and remote desktop server, peer networking tool, and we are almost done. Yeah, I need to actually take a note of what features that I have removed. Maybe I guess. Okay, webcam experience is checked. Okay, we're good to go, I guess. Piece of absolute garbage. Um, at this point of this, I don't know, man. I don't really know how to like actually try to make it as light down as possible. There you go. What are shared experiences? We'll keep that for sure. It's gonna take 3 hours more. What do you mean? Remote desktop. Enable. Reserve storage. Storage ends. performance, content delivery, optimization. Okay, enable the unattended mode. Input locale. Input locale I'll automatically input as English. Yeah, I mean, actually, see, there's literally no Indonesian anyway. No English US. I'm in Indonesia. Well, I mean, I can tell literally by her name, so I mean, yeah. I'm just gonna set the one on this to Indonesian one. I don't even care anymore. User locale would be ENID2 ledge. Sure. Let's see what shell option does. Skip EULA page through. Online account. Skip wireless. And location. leave it as default. Disable. Not that. Useful to sure. It's just content. Welcome experience after updates. Typing in sites. That should be good. Should not be from the phone. Yeah, now let's add a local account. Administrators. Lite. Okay. Skip you a page. Let's not skip that one. I mean, there. Okay. Now I'm just gonna. Now, one last step is to just get the wallpaper that I already created. Let's see if. Yep. Like, there you go. Now we just Control C, and then after that we go into the temporary by going into percent 10%. We'll just go into let's see. Yep, this is the one. But O2, what? Why is it O2? Actually, no, that don't really matter that much. Let's go to web wallpaper. Damn, Windows 11. What the? Windows 11 confirmed? Yeah. Let's not. Let's not. Let's see the flowers all the way to image 12. So this one should be image 14. Let's own the file first so that we can actually, like, you know, get the permissions. We need to go to advanced, change the owner to FIFA Max, which is my user account. Now click apply, and then we're gonna reopen, and then auditing. Actually, no. Let's go to users, full control. Okay. Now we can finally rename this to image 14. Now we paste our new Lite 10 image, and I don't know if this will work or not, but I mean, we'll test it on a VM. I won't like test it on my real computer first because probably I'm just lazy to actually install the thing onto my real computer, and knowing that I have messed up something and I have to reinstall again, it's just a mess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and a VM. Now I gotta do this for a bunch more stuff. But we're going into the 4K. I have completely forgotten that I actually still need to get a bunch of permission changes in here. Now we will rename this to the we need to open it in Paint. But not Paint 3D, you piece of absolute crap. Okay, Paint. Now we just resize this to whatever the heck that we needed. 1080 1920. Okay, now theoretically we can just okay. Just gonna move it to download first. Gonna Control X that, and now we open our downloads. There you go. Now we just save, and boom. Now we just need to add a new tab in downloads. Move the shiz to here, and boom. Now we've got that. I can safely close, and now we can finally apply what is trimming editions? Non-essential editions. Oh, I mean, okay then. We can actually do the entire thing. Options, create ISO. Now just process. Turn off the time. Now we can finally start the pending changes. And I also need to set my stupid air conditioner because apparently it is giving me because apparently it's too cool right now. Now it's gonna watch me live. I'm gonna play some Minecraft, but I'll have the stream on background. Okay. I'm also monitoring some stuff through the live, although there will be some latency, but I mean, you know. idea here. You know, no. Lite is faster. Lite is faster than original. Windows N is faster than Lite. Windows and the Windows N editions are basically the ones without the media features, whilst the Lite actually still has the media features but has some of the more not necessary components are removed. So yeah. Okay, my hands are tired. Again. Let's FNC onto the computer. Yeah, that's not. It doesn't sound as good as the one on the bed. Remove files 3,682. Hard links 623 megabytes. Complete files 7.2 megabytes. ISO files 26.1 megabytes. Final install size 14 gigabytes. Unique files 8 gigabytes. Remove non-essential editions. Okay. original Lite is like probably gonna be faster in performance wise, just a tiny bit, but on like high-end PCs it won't really like matter that much. But I mean mid ends also won't really get that much performance increase. But if you have let's say a Core 2 Duo with 2 gigs of RAM and it's performing real slow and you just use like a hard drive instead of you know then you are 100% will get that performance boost. But you still need to upgrade to an SSD or something like that. But maybe installing Lite will help, like installing a Lite version of Windows will like have a big impact on a slow machine. And yeah, that's the reason the Lite Windows are created. It's for like the low end PCs that is just too slow to run like full blown Windows. Completed. Okay, okay. Now it has been a success. And just as yeah, we'll try the ISO on a virtual machine. There it is. This is the ISO file. It's the Lite 10. Now we will open our where's the VirtualBox? Oh, there it is. I'm used to VMware, but now I'm trying VirtualBox. Let's see how much RAM do I have left. Memory. I still have around 7 gigs. So yeah, let's change the optical drive. We'll go to settings, and then after that storage, this, and then after that we will choose the disk file, and now we will go into desktop, Lite 10. Okay, now I start powering VM up. No, I mean I actually have used it before for like a Windows 11 stuff, but I mean nope, this is Windows 11. It's probably gonna boot it to like the thing that I needed. Probably someday later. This is the thing where I have completely forgotten my pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 27 too many. Damn, what's my password? Just what you mob-headed freak. Are you ready? Now I gotta deal with this piece of absolute garbage. Actually, no, let's do it from this. Shift, restart. That's a good sign. Now let's just drink air. Let's see if you reboot. Also, I don't know why, for some reason it just applied a like scaling thing. I did not even set it. That's a good sign. Now let's just drink air. Damn, the laptop's starting to become a jet. Um, you mob-headed freak. You piece of shit. That's just. BRB. Okay, there you go. It's finally preparing automatic repair. We will go to advanced options and use the device. Now we're going to UEFI VBox CD-ROM. And now we are booting to the CD DVD drive with it. Yep, there you go. Okay, good. It has the unattended, but I mean, we still have to adjust some things. But I mean, it's fine. That's good. It has this. Okay, now we just delete all partitions because we will wipe the shit out of Windows 11 and replace it with our Lite 10. Yes, I did just get 80 gigs for that one thing apparently. Yeah. And now we just wait for installation. And now we are currently installing a piece of shit that just takes a very long time. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna wait. I don't even know if you guys are actually patient enough. But I mean, VirtualBox is usually slower than usually virtualization is slower than real hardware. But I mean, I gotta test it first, again. I mean, so that I won't get disappointed. And maybe, probably if it was a success, then I'll probably post it on archive.org and probably give y'all and give the ISO to you all, although I still have to take notes for features that I have removed. Or maybe not, I'll just let people test it first, maybe drive it first, and if they think that it wasn't really that bad to use as a daily driver, then I'll probably update it with a slightly better wallpaper. Like, I mean, again, if you want to create like a new wallpaper for Windows Lite 10, please let me know in the comments, and then after that, you can friend me on Discord to send the image link so that I can just download it and integrate it if I could. Maybe I'll have to try to make a website for Lite 10 if that's possible. But I didn't know if I could make a free website. Currently, first of all, I don't really have a server that I can just. I don't really have a PC that I can turn on for like 24 hours. So yeah, and thus a server on here, it's not really that ideal because, well, first of all, economy is not really that good here. Second of all, who in their freaking right mind would just install a server at their home when their system is this still a potato-ish thing? It's just probably gonna be useless. So website pending. Okay, Google, cancel the timer. Taylor. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Okay, Windows needs to restart. Okay, Google. Wake me up in 5 minutes. woke up from my in quotation marks nap. I mean, it's just 5 minutes. Oh, and I almost fell out of my bed. Still just some on my screen. Now I have some. Okay, good. Now it's to the now we have some important setup thing. Yeah, that's good. Now the only one that sees this is this me probably. It's probably just me. Because the thing takes too damn long. I don't know. Okay, good. It's doing some stuff. got a new wallpaper. Oh man. Holy shit. Good. This is absolutely amazing. Wait, let me install. I mean, we do still have a few stuff still left, but like, I mean, we still have Microsoft Store, we still have some things, but I mean, I don't really know how to remove the yeah, okay, that's good. Now I will install it. Now I will literally redo some stuff, which is basically, shit, man. I'll get the download. Sorry, desktop. Lite 10. Now we copy all of this again, and now we paste them onto what's called let's go to our downloads. Lite 10 temporary. Now we copy all this stuff again. We will do some things here, removing the Microsoft Store, Microsoft Edge, and yeah, all the stuff that we don't really need anymore. takut that I am on a live right now. Shit. So that is the only thing that we could actually do. That is the only thing that we could just do, and we cannot remove the. Of course, we can't remove the thing that we absolutely needed. Of course, it has to be no viewers. That law. Okay, I'm just gonna stop the stream here because I will record the thing, like installing Lite 10 to a real hardware. I'll probably put the link once